Hello guys, today we should learn about how to do the middle term splitting. First, we have the question x square plus 6x plus 8. What we have to do, just first write the coefficient of x square. Here that is 1 and last term that is 8. Now multiply the coefficient of first term and the last term. So what we get, that is 8. Now take the two factors of the 8 and the factors of the 8 which is should be added to give the middle term. Then how I just tell the middle added, that what is the sign of the last term, that is the plus. So the addition of this two factor should be the middle term. So we can say 2 plus 4 is 6. Yes. Now how can we give the sign to these two terms? Now what is the sign of the middle term is given to the bigger term, that is a 4. And whatever we have to do the addition. So same sign will given to the another factor. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. Now we just get the common of the two. X is common, x in the bracket x plus 2, 2 is common, 4 is common, that is x plus 2. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is the answer. Now same as the second example, what is the coefficient of x square and 21, last term is the 21 and coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 21, so we get the answer as the 21. Now what are the two factors of 21? So that is 7 into 3. But what is the sign of the third term? That is the minus. So we have to define that this two factors should be subtracted to give the middle term. So 7 minus 3 is 4. Yes, so the factor is correct. Now whatever the sign of the middle term, that is the that is here we have the sign as the 4x, that is the addition. So plus is given to the 7 and what we have to do the subtraction. Okay, so here the middle term sign is plus, so we just give this sign to the bigger factor, that is plus 7, and what we have to do the subtraction. So plus is the first term, then we have to give the minus as the second term. So we have the two factors plus 7x minus 3x. So we can write x square plus 7x minus 3x minus 21. We get the x as a common, x plus 7, and minus 3 as a common, so x plus 7. So whatever we get, x plus 7, x minus 3. Sorry, that's it. बट वी हैव टू, हमें यही ध्यान रखना है कि जो भी थर्ड टर्म का साइन होगा वही दो फैक्टर का बीच का प्लस या माइनस होगा, ठीक है, और जो मिडल टर्म का साइन होगा दैट इज़ गिवन टू द बिगर फैक्टर. ओके, थैंक यू. आई थिंक दिस विल बी सॉल्व ऑल योर कन्फ्यूजन.